three vertical poles of heights h1, h2, h3. Three vertical poles height h1, h2, h3. 1, 2, 3 poles. At the vertices ABC of a triangle ABC, subtended angles alpha, beta, gamma respectively. From A on the circumference A, B, C form a triangle. At the circumference of the triangle. If cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP, then H1, H2, H3 are in what? APR, GPR, HPR, none. That is the question. So H1, H2, H3, what is the progression? He asked. So this height H1, first pole, angle of elevation from point A, this is the alpha given. So from this triangle, cot alpha is equal to H1 by R by H1. R is the circumference, radius of this circumcircle. This is the circumcircle. This is the circumradius. R. These are all are equal. Similarly, cot beta also R by H2. Cot gamma is R by H3. From the data, cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP. Cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP. So AP condition, if ABC are in AP, then condition is 2B is equal to A plus C. This is the AP condition. According to that, 2B, this is A, B, C. B is the cot beta, A is the cot alpha, C is the cot gamma. 2. Cot beta R by H2 is equal to cot alpha R by H1 plus R by H3. So here R common, R gets cancelled both sides. Remaining 2 by H2 is equal to 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. So this condition is in HP. HP condition, if ABC are in HP, then 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. This is the HP condition. So this is 2 by B, 1 by A plus 1 by C. So H1, H2 are in the HP. So which condition HP? Third condition. A ladder rests against a wall at an angle alpha. This is the ladder. This ladder rests on a wall with angle of elevation alpha is given. Next, to the horizontal, its foot is parallel away from the wall into a distance of A. This ladder moves on the wall at a distance B, and here this ladder moves on horizontal some distance A. Here moving B, here moving A, on vertical B, on horizontal A moving. So here angle of elevation beta is given. Then what is the relation between A and B with alpha beta? So here relations 4 given. Which option is correct asking? A in terms of B. How much? So from this diagram, first we find the triangle AOB. From the triangle AOB, sin alpha is equal to sin alpha opposite this OB by this AB. AB distance some x. Let AB is equal to X. Then automatically AB length ladder, CD length ladder, same length. This is also X. CD also. OB by, here sin alpha is equal to OB by this hypotenuse X. So here OB is equal to X sin alpha. One relation. After that cos alpha also, from this cos alpha is equal to adjacent AO by hypotenuse X, implies here AO is equal to X cos alpha. This is another relation from the first triangle. Next triangle COD, from triangle COD. This is also right angle triangle here. Here also cos beta or sin beta. From this triangle sin beta is equal to sin beta opposite OD by hypotenuse X. Here OD is equal to X sin beta. This is another relation. Next, similar to that, cos beta, find cos beta adjacent this CO by this hypotenuse X, implies CO is equal to X cos beta. So these are the relations. So from the diagrams, B value what, A value what? First to find the B value. B is equal to OB minus OD. So B is equal to OB, total length, OB where here X sin alpha, minus OD is here X sin beta. So here B is equal to X common, sin alpha minus sin beta coming. This is one relation. Similar to that, A value. A is equal to what? This is the A. A is equal to CO minus AO. CO minus AO. What is the CO? CO is equal to X cos beta. X cos beta minus AO. AO is X cos alpha. From this X common, A is equal to X common cos beta minus cos alpha. This is another relation. This is B, this is A. So we find B by A. X cancelled, then B by A is equal to X sin alpha minus sin beta by X cos beta minus cos alpha. Here X cancelled here. After this, B by A is equal to sin C minus sin D formula. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 division. Cos C minus cos D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. So here also alpha plus beta by 2. Sin D minus C by 2. D is the alpha minus beta by 2. 2 cancelled. Here sin alpha minus beta by 2 both are cancelled. So here asking what in terms of this is cos by sin cot. B by A is equal to cot alpha plus beta by 2. So B is equal to B by cot alpha plus B by 2 is equal to A. So finally A is equal to B tan alpha plus beta by 2. This is the relation between A and B. So according to this, first one is the right option. Here trigonometry JE, properties of triangles. In this question, in triangle we see if 2R is equal to R1 minus R, then angle A how much? Here capital R is the circumradius circumradius of the triangle. The circumradius means the circumcircle passing through the ABC, that is the circumradius. R1 is the internal radius of the circle, incircle radius. First one, this is the incircle radius. So here formulas, R1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is the R1. If R2 is there, sin B by 2 here. R3 is there, sin C by 2 here. So first R1 is means A by 2 sin, and R is equal to complete all sines, sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. These are formulas. How it is? This is the A, B, C. In this one incircle formula, this circle radius is R. This is the X center, this is the in center. This is the R1. And here also another circle, out circle formed. This is the R2. In this side R2. The relation is like this. So given statement 2R is equal to R1 minus R is given. So 2R is equal to R1 is the 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So in this 4R sin A by 2 common. Here 4R sin A by 2, here also 4R sin A by 2. Remaining cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus sin B by 2 sin C by 2 remaining. After this, here R here are cancelled. 2 1s, 2 2s. So 1 is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into, this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Cos A plus B, cos of A plus B, B by 2 plus C by 2. So this is B plus C by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to sin A by 2 cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C by 2 is nothing but sin A by 2. Since A plus B plus C always 180 degrees, from this cos B plus C by 2 is equal to sin A by 2 coming. So 1 by 2 is equal to sin A by 2. Again this is also sin A by 2. From this sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. So A by 2 value 45 degrees. Then A is equal to 90 degrees. This is the A value. So he is asking angle A. Angle A is the 90 degrees. Fourth option is the right answer. Solution. From the sine rule, what is the sine rule? A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. This is the sine rule. According to this, here sin A by A given. Sin A by A given. If we take reverse order, sin A by is equal to 2R here. A by sin A is equal to 2R. B by sin B is equal to 2R. C by sin C is equal to 2R. So if you take a reverse order, sin A by A is equal to 1 by 2R. Here also sin B by B is equal to 1 by 2R. here sin c by c is equal to 1 by 2r, reciprocals. So sin square a by a square is equal to 1 by 4r square. This also sin square b by b square is equal to 1 by 4r square. Sin square c by c square is equal to 1 by 4r square. By using these formulas from the question, b square minus c square by a square sin square a plus c square minus a square by b square sin square b. So sin square a by a square, sin square a by a square is equal to 1 by 4r square. So remaining b square minus c square by 4r square plus this also similar to that, c square minus a square by sin square b by b square. This is the 1 by 4r square. So here 1 by 4r square common. After that b square minus c square plus c square minus a square coming. C square both are cancelled. Remaining 1 by 4r square b square minus a square. So here according to this option is third option, b square minus a square by 4r square. That means in another way it is also b square by minus a square by and b square is equal to another value coming. So here suitable answer is 1 by 4r square b square minus a square. So after this continuation, instead of c, a square minus b square by c square is sin square c coming, this value. But according to options, third option is right answer. Third option is right answer. In triangle ABC, a by cos a is equal to b by cos b, c by cos c given. If b is equal to 2, b is the one side. Here one triangle is here. This is the a, b, c. So opposite to b is the small b. This is 2 given. Opposite to c is the small c. Opposite to a is the small a length. And here this is the angle b, a, c. This list given. A by cos a is equal to b by cos b is equal to c by cos c given. From the sine rule means what? A is equal to 2r sin a by cos a as it is. This is 2r sin b from the sine rule. This is as it is cos b. This is 2r sin c by cos c. From the sine rule, a, b, c values. So in this all common ratios 2r cancelled. Here sin a by cos a, tan a, sin b by cos b, tan b is equal to sin c by cos c, tan c. Here also all equal. Tan ratio, tan b, tan ratios all equal. From this equivalence, a is equal to b is equal to c coming. So all angles equal. If all angles equal means a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 60 degrees. 180 by 3 angles equal. So all angles equal. Then all sides also equal. Then all sides a is equal to b is equal to c. So all sides equal. B is equal to 2 given. So this length is equal to 2. So all lengths 2, 2, 2. If any side of the equilateral triangle, then area is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. This is the area of the triangle in equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So A is equal to root 3 by 4 into side is the 2 square. So 4 cancel. So A is equal to root 3 is the right answer. This second option is the right answer.